Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the YouTube channel, Time to Trade. So, my name is Mbonisi. I'm a 20-year-old guy located in Africa, in the country of Zimbabwe. So, I welcome you to this channel. So, you just landed on this channel for different means. So, well, let me introduce you. Here on this channel, I'll be talking about Forex trading, my Forex trading journey. So, where I'm going to do a big experiment and a risk into seeing whether one can become an intermediate trader or a pro trader by using free resources from the internet. That is from those guys that show that they are actually making it in the financial market, and they also guys call them gurus. Well, let me tell you a bit about myself before you go on to subscribing on this channel through that red button which is named subscribe. Well, I've been introduced to Forex trading by my uncle Google and my cousin YouTube. These are the bros that introduced me to the trading through their advertisements. Yeah, you know those advertisements. Hey, you can make money, whatever. Okay. So back in 2017, that is when I started opening my own binary trading account under IQ option. And the way I got the money from is from my father. Okay, I just begged for it. Although that time the foreign exchange rate in Zimbabwe wasn't that really bad as compared to now. So we could afford that at that current moment. As time went on, I took some money from various Bitcoin investment which I fallen into, and these were BitConnect and Laser sites, which also provided good return rates, return over investment, but actually it was just a kick get rich scheme. So which means it didn't even last for months when I entered it. And some of the money which I got, I used to be given the money to go to school and come from school. So it was like dollar to school, dollar to come back from school. So I combined that money and I preferred to walk just like about 5 kilometer distance from my home to this school called Hippo Valley. So then it was on 2018. A brother from a different mother told me about that there was this broker that he found which offered free non-deposit bonus. This was exam in this case, and right away I ran into and took the chance. But hey, did not have any proof of residence by the way. So I waited for months so that and I did some research how I could regain that. So all those years I did also take some money from the market and also lost a lot in the financial market. But what keeps me moving is that when others are doing it, so I can do it also. So that's kind of faith in me that one day I'll do it. That is the one that keeps me moving. So cutting the long story short, to this current day, I am not a wealth person or a big Forex guru. I'm just a guy interested in Forex and a guy interested in sharing information about my Forex journey. And I'm taking into this Forex journey step by step. So by hitting this big reset button in my life and trying to follow those resources and the steps needed to be a pro trader or a consistent trader, those information now which I'll be researching on the internet, those are the ones which I'm going to use, and those are the ones which I'm going to share with in a structured way. Well, this is the part where I will tell you about the disclaimer of this channel so that I won't be responsible to hold any responsibility for any action that you take from seeing the content I post here, because this is just a journey of a trader with a passion of being a financial independent person and also helping others who want to, so that they won't do the same errors and mistakes like what I did. So The content provided by Mbonisi and Time to Trade does not include any financial advice, guidance, or recommendation to take any trades, investments, or decision in the relation to other matter. The content provided is impersonal and not adapted by any specific client, trader, or business. Therefore, Time to Trade recommends that you seek professional and financial advice before making any decision from those who call them experts, because I'm just a beginner. Trading takes dedication and commitment. Success does not just happen overnight. So one might say it didn't really happen overnight, and still yet I haven't reached the point where I'll say I'm successful, because as you can see, I've been losing some money in the financial market, and I said about it. So the results that will be shown here are not guaranteed that you may do the same, and it may vary from person to person. Therefore, any inherent risk involved with trading, including the loss of your investments, yeah, don't put the blame on us, because I have really told you I'm just a beginner, a guy who is just interested in this financial market, with the hope that I'll have financial freedom in my life. So past performance in the market it will not indicative of future results. Any investment is solely at your own risk. Hear that. Any investment is solely at your own risk. So you assume full responsibility of the action which you are going to take. So finish the disclaimer. So if you made it up to this part of the video, if you're interested in seeing my journey into forex trading, well, please click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, so that whenever I post a video in every week, which I'll be posting every week, you'll receive a notification. And please like this page. So thank you.